Groundbreaking study has revealed that sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage, can prevent and even repair leaky gut by restoring gut barrier integrity by 53%. Researchers demonstrated that while raw cabbage and fermentation brine offered no protection, sauerkraut produced metabolites during fermentation that actively strengthen intestinal cells and restore tight junction proteins. The molecular gatekeepers that keeps toxin out of the bloodstream and prevent systemic inflammation. This means a simple everyday food can directly heal the gut lining, challenging the pharmaceutical-driven narrative that pills are the only solution to chronic gut issues. The evidence is clear, scientifically rigorous, and peer-reviewed.